Habits that are stealing your resourcefulness and keeping you poor. Phone addiction. Phone addiction is gradually becoming a pandemic. You're unhappy because your dopamine receptors are fried. Checking your phone 100 plus times per day is robbing you of your happiness, by making you see others more successful than you are, and in turn deprives you of your happiness, and also stealing your resourcefulness. It is said that money lost can be recovered, but time lost can never be recovered. Delist yourself from the number of people that waste their resourceful time staying glued to phone in the name of trying to catch up with what's trending, and get things done which will in turn put money in your pocket. Remember, the best productivity app on your phone is called airplane mode. Use it. Processed foods. Our society has turned into the one that hardly cook fresh food. Instead, we get engrossed with eating processed food in the name of enjoyment. Most food preservatives are cancerogenous in nature. More people die in the US of overfeeding than underfeeding. Today, food companies optimize for bliss point. They engineer the exact combination of salt, sugar, and fat for tastiness. Soda, chips, candy bars, etc. are all bliss point optimized. It's killing millions. Choose unprocessed whole foods. Perfectionism. No one is perfect. We all strive to perfection. The more mistakes we make, the better we become. Trying to be perfect in anything makes you end up achieving nothing. Perfectionism is more curse, less blessing. Mistakes you make today becomes a tool for improvement tomorrow. Always strive to avoid the trap of perfectionism and don't get stuck in laxity. Put in your best in whatever you do. Time and consistency will bring out the best in you. If you're avoiding failure, you're avoiding success. Sitting all day. Don't get entangled in the habit of sitting all day. It cuts short your life expectancy. Now we sit at desks for 8 hours every day, then watch the TV for another hours. Human nature is not built for that. No matter the nature of your job, get a standing desk, go for walks, and move your body daily. Our ancestors used to hunt mammoths, and that's what makes them live longer than the present generation. Never being alone. The most creative moment of any successful individual is the moments they were alone. Go through the life of every successful individual in the society, you will discover that they find time to separate themselves and be alone to think and to create. Society has programmed us to think it's weird to do things alone. If you are not comfortable being alone, you will never scale new height, and you will never be comfortable leaving toxic relationship, which will in turn deprive you of your creative nature. A person who's happy alone is a powerful person. Netflix. While growing up, I lived with an older cousin that owned no TV but only a music system. His reason for not subscribing to the norms of owning a TV is simple. TV is passive, it requires all your attention, both conscious and your subconscious. You can't get any task done while watching TV, but lots can be done while listening to music. TV shuts off your brain. You could be living your dreams, but instead, you decide to watch others live their dreams on Netflix. Your mind deserves better than all the TV subscription. Cancel your subscription, and thank me later. Fashion. Fashion is dynamic. What is in vogue today becomes obsolete the next minutes. No one ever get awarded having the largest wardrobe on earth. Trying to catch up with trending fashion robs you of your hard-earned money. Dress modestly and you will never get yourself trapped in the rat race of the fashion world.